Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to discuss about duties of subordinate staff, office assistant, armed guard, security guard, senior office assistant, earlier bill collector, daftari, special office assistant, earlier head peon, office assistant, take, AC plant helper, office assistant, take, electrician, and drivers, other than State Bank of India, under 12 Bipartite Settlement. Introduction. This presentation outlines the duties and responsibilities of various categories of subordinate staff working in banks as defined under the 12th Bipartite Settlement. It covers the scope of work assigned to subordinate staff, office assistants, armed guards, security guards, senior office assistants, special office assistants, technical office assistants, AC plant helpers, and electricians and drivers. The objective is to provide clarity on role-wise functions, routine responsibilities, and operational expectations to ensure a smooth day-to-day functioning, safety, and efficiency within banking institutions. Duties of subordinate staff, office assistant. Subordinate staff, office assistant may be assigned all the normal and routine duties of the cadre and for performance of which no special pay is payable. The following duties shall also be part of the duties of subordinate staff, office assistant: to take money orders, to buy stamps, etc., which involves carrying of cash not exceeding rupees 5,000, and to carry insured letters, etc., to post office. To pack currency note bundles, to pack and seal parcels and packets containing currency notes, to accompany transit cash from bank to an office outside or vice versa. Duties of armed guard, security guard. Persons required to perform watch and ward duties, that is to watch or look after the premises or department for the purposes of its safety, security and guard against attack or assault or infiltrations that against removal of the bank's property by any unauthorized persons, and ought to watch and guard as above the movement of cash from one place to another, whether inside or outside the bank, for which purpose they are required by the bank to carry any of the following weapons: gun, pistol, or any other firearm, or dagger, sword, kukri, or spear, or any other licensed vehicle. Note: returners premiums other than watchmen whose names are registered in the bank's license as returners will, when they perform armed guard duties, be entitled to special pay for armed guards pro rata. Duties of senior office assistant, earlier bill collector, doctory. Their work involves obtaining acceptance of bills of exchange and handage, etc., from non-local parties or banks in and or collecting payments thereof. Collecting payments for checks or postal orders, etc., from banks or post office counters. They may also be required to collect cash not exceeding rupees 5,000 at a time against various instruments. Simple binding of books and registers, press copying, filling independently letters and other papers in respect files as per indications marked thereon. Assisting in issuing stationery, stacking under guidance all records in orderly manner and assisting in giving them out when required, and undertaking the whole process of sorting, arranging, numbering, telling the total number, or stitching the vouchers. Duties of a special office assistant, earlier head peon. Persons required to assist in supervision of various matters pertaining to subordinate staff like cleanliness of the office premises, cleanliness of uniforms, leave arrangements, arrangements for safekeeping of keys, and distributions of duties among the subordinate staff. Duties of office assistant take AC plant helper. Semi-skilled persons who under the supervision of the technician to attend the routine maintenance of and minor repairs to air conditioning plants. Duties of office assistant take electrician. Their work involves carrying out semi-skilled electrical work like routine maintenance of electrical equipment, effecting minor repairs to electrical fixtures and appliances. Duties of drivers. Persons required to drive, maintain and effect minor repairs not requiring a technician's skill, to motor cars, motor vans, station wagons, scooters, motorcycles, or other motor vehicles. Conclusion. In conclusions, the roles of subordinate staff and allied cadres form the backbone of effective banking operations. Each category has clearly defined duties ranging from administrative support and cash handling to security, technical maintenance, and transportation services. Proper understanding and adherence to these responsibilities not only ensure operational efficiency but also enhance safety, accountability, and service quality within the bank. Recognition of these duties under the 12th Bipartite Settlement highlights the importance of teamwork and disciplined executions in achieving organizational goals. Disclaimer: this presentation is intended for general information and awareness purposes only. The duties and responsibilities mentioned are based on provisions of the 12th Bipartite Settlement and related guidelines as understood at the time of preparation. In case of any clarification, interpretations, or dispute, the relevant settlement provisions, circulars, and official instructions issued by competent authorities shall prevail. The presenter does not assume any legal responsibility for decisions taken based on this content. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe, and share.